Hi everyone, I'm Lynn from Finds of Yesterday, and a couple weeks ago I bought a box at a yard sale and paid $1 for it, and I just now dug into it to see what was all in there, and you'll be surprised at what I found. Let me turn the camera around and show you the potential of this $1 box. So what was in this box? It was full of latch hooks and needlepoint and quilling and crafting kits. I'm excited to have totaled everything to show you what the potential is. So let's get started here with this Elsa Williams. They call this a bell pull. It's, as you can see, it's a wall hanging or something you might hang on a door, or anyway, it's got fruit on it, and it ranges in sale price from $30 to $48, and it's still sealed. It comes with all the items needed to complete it. So I'll probably put maybe $39.95 on it. Then this next item is a Santa Claus crafting kit. It just shows you how to make this Santa out of yarn, and it includes felt and yarn and little beads in his eyes and nose. It includes everything. And it's called Aunt Lydia's, and it says easy to make in 2 hours. So this one was selling, there was numerous ones for sale, and they were selling for around $15. So that's what I'm going to put on it. This next item is an easy weave waste paper basket. And it's kind of like wood weaving with wood, but they're like plastic strips. So this one I couldn't find I don't think I found any that were selling, so I'll probably just put $9.95 and let it go out the door. This next one is a quill kit where you make little Christmas ornaments. And I've had this quilling tool in the box as well, so I am pretty sure I'm going to be able to sell this for $20 if I sold the kit separate, and the quilling tool was selling for $15, but I'm going to put them together and try $29.95. This next one is another quilling kit. It actually comes with 2 clear acrylic boxes that you can display your artwork in. As you can see, they're little flowers in a basket, and it has the instructions and the paper all included, and I'm pretty sure it's all there. It was sealed too. Well, it's in a Ziploc bag, but I should be able to sell this one for $15. Then there was some tools in there. This one is called a smock ruler, and it should make designs like this. And these are selling for about $15. And it should have some instructions in it too. It says, just place this ingenious smock ruler on any material, trace around it, and you're ready to smock pillows, hats, dresses, belts, handbags, bedspreads, or anything you wish. So I've never done it, don't have a clue, but I do recall seeing my grandma have pillows like this. They look pretty awesome, so she must have had one of these tools or knew how to do it without. You can tell these are vintage items, vintage stitching tools and stuff. So this is a Scoville Weave It hand loom. Comes with the directions and a big needle. And these are selling for about $15. And then this is a Scoville king size Crazy Daisy winder. Apparently it's for crocheting. Don't ask me how to use it. I have no idea. It makes afghans, ponchos, sweaters, baby items, doilies, and decorative stitchery. These are selling for there's different styles. So they ranged from 14 to about 25, I think. I think I'm just going to list it at $16.95 to get rid of it. Then over here, there's this latch hook. It's not the whole kit, and it had this other smaller latch hook design, pattern only. I'm going to sell them separate. No, I'll probably put these two patterns together, but they don't have any yarn with them. But I did have a loose latch hook tool that I'm going to throw in, and I've seen other patterns selling by themselves for more than this, like $48, but I thought I would try to sell the two patterns and the latch hook for $30. And then we have this one item that's left, and I need your help with this. I do not know what it is. I'm sure it's for weaving of some sort, for making bows or something. Whoops. But I don't have a clue what it's called. Or if you know what it is, please leave it in the comments, or please email me so I can get it listed. I think I'm going to try to sell it. So that's the items that was in this box for $1. And when you take all of these prices that I researched and add them together, it comes out to $150. So don't be afraid to buy stuff in lots, because that's when you get the best pricing on everything. $1 I paid. And I should be able to turn around for $150, even if I have to take best offers and reduce the prices on these. I still will probably make about $100 with no problem. Alright, thanks for joining me, and don't be afraid to go out and try some new things and buy some new things and put them up on eBay. You never know what you'll get. Thank you for joining me. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.